Hey folks, it's been a while since I've posted, but I've been busy. Right now I'm doing some shop upgrades. This shop is a complete mess and it's time to get things straight. I have something to show you, so the biggest upgrade, so stay tuned. All right, this is the biggest upgrade. It's a Delta 10-inch table saw. Got this at Lowe's for my birthday from my awesome, loving wife. Now, she's been concerned that I'm going to chop off fingers and all of that, and that's been the delay in me getting a table saw, but she finally relented. And what I want to do, another big announcement. My daughter and her husband are having their first child, and it's going to be a son, and he's due in June, middle of June, and I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to get grandchildren so that I could just, have so much fun with them. And that's a big reason we got this property, is to have for family gatherings and have a lot of fun doing a lot of activities on this 24 acres. But what I also want to do is build some old-fashioned toys. I don't want them to be so into electronics and games. I mean, that's okay. I'm a big gamer myself, but I think it's important that, I grew up with blocks and, all kinds of different old-fashioned toys. And the first toy I'm going to make is a rocking horse for my first grandson. So that'll be a big fun activity that hopefully will be a family heirloom. All right, so this table saw is awesome. Now, what I need for the table saw is an Outfeed table, and this is the skeleton of it, and I'm using DIY Tyler's plans, and you can get these off of his website. I'm sure anybody who's a woodworker has run across DIY Tyler. And I'm doing a little bit of a modification. As you can see, the torsion box with the 34 or 3/4 inch plywood top is 7 inches high. I'm going to make mine 10 inches high. And I have to make it, the outfeed is going to come off of that side. And it's 36 and a half inches high right here. I'm not going to put any miter slots in there for any sleds. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have the table a little shorter. But this right now is upside down. I've already put in the adjustable feet, and essentially it's going to be this 3/8 inch bolt in here, and that's going to be for leveling and everything. So yeah, that's the next step. But otherwise, I'm following Tyler's directions. Essentially, it's going to be a 4 foot by 6 feet. Yeah, so got a lot of work to do. I want to get this done so that I can then basically have not only an outfeed table, but an assembly table for a lot of the work. I've just been using this this sawhorse contraption, and as you can tell, the shop is just a mess. So my next big project is to do a J. Bates mini miter saw station across that wall right there. Probably keep the window visible, but extend it out a little bit to get some storage space, because I need it. I need storage space. Yep. So I haven't done anything with the garden yet, but it's been freezing on and off, and I'm kind of glad I didn't put anything in the ground, because I'd have lost them. but I'm getting ready to start planting the garden, and I've got to get compost. So just a quick update on what's going on here on the homestead. So stay tuned.